Hi guys, welcome back. Let's do a character digging animation today. And this is my character. You can also check my rigging and tracing sections from my playlist. Let's check the rig first. Here you can see I connect with the on hand and the tool in on symbol. If you let it single, you have to face a lot of jerk and you have to apply more keys in the timeline. Okay, the rigging is fine. Now let's select all the symbols and press F8. Then go inside the symbol, then distribute it to layers. Now we can start our animation. Let's insert the frames in the timeline. I am doing a symbol loop animation with limited keys. So insert your keys here. We have to give an anticipation before this guy raises the tool in the air. You can give a small squash and some body parts will go down. And make sure the symbols are connected with each other. The anticipation is completed. Now let's raise the tool. Let's give a little bend here. And this is a limited keys animation that anyone can follow. And not so complicated. And in the fourth key, this guy will touch the ground with this tool. So give a little bit bend to the body. The keys are completed. Now let's select all these keys and apply classic tween. After hit the ground, this character will hold a second here. and here we will give the settle moment. Now what I am going to do is I will go inside this hand symbol and make this tool touch to the ground. By doing this, we can avoid more glitches and keys outside. Also do the same on the other hand. The main animation is completed. Now let's go inside the body and give a follow through to this tie. Let's fix some glitches here in the legs. So that's it. Our animation is completed. Make sure you subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt related to this video, please drop your comments in the comment section below. And I will come with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye.